Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the Trades and Gains Daily Recap. I'm your host, Max Pitts, and today we have a lot of news to cover, especially within the tech sector. We have some retail sales results to go over, and just overall sentiment for the market. So, to kick things off, Nvidia has officially taken the crown from Microsoft for being the most valuable public company on the market today, with the stock running 3.5% to the price target of $135 per share, giving it a market capitalization of over $3.34 trillion. That's a massive jump from just 2 weeks ago when it took the number 2 spot from Apple. The main driver behind this growth is the competitive edge that Nvidia holds over its competitors such as Intel and AMD. Nvidia's chips, modified graphics cards, and CUDA software platforms are designed to train and run AI programs, giving it a strategic advantage over its rivals and competition. However, AMD and Intel are not giving up without a fight. They are both investing and pushing forward with their own AI chips, aiming to outmaneuver Nvidia. And with companies spending billions upon billions on AI chips in the coming future, any price savings will be a welcome to their pocketbooks. Overall, the tech sector has been leading on an AI-driven rally, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite reaping its benefits, both climbing to new heights over the last couple weeks. With this, investors are becoming optimistic about the AI revolution, and Wall Street banks are starting to increase their year-end S&P targets, which seem to be climbing higher and higher as weeks go on. And speaking of the federal government, we got an update on interest rates, or at least a peek behind the curtain, as Fed Governor Ariana Kugler remained optimistic today during her speech that improving supply and cooling demand will support continued disinflation, but investors are still expecting 2 rate cuts by the end of the year, according to the latest CME FedWatch poll, which polled at about 60% today. This is one thing to keep in mind, though, because with retail sales, it did not come in as expected. It only increased a meager 0.1%, and this could be a sign of a more consumer strain and higher interest rates and persistently stubborn inflation. So that is something that you need to be on the watch out for, which is the consumer sentiment and spending habits over the next couple weeks. And that's all we have for today, folks. Nvidia was kind of the top story of today. We have some earnings reports. Tomorrow the market's going to be closed for Juneteenth. The AI revolution looks like it's in full swing, and many investors believe it's just getting started. So keep an eye out on for that. And feel free to like and subscribe this video if you liked it, and hope to see you for the next one.